Phonics Lesson 22. Let's go ahead and begin with a review of Chart A. THR says thir, thir, thir in 3. AR says R, R, R in stars. CH says ch, ch, ch in church. OR says or in morning. OU says ow, ow, ow in out. OW says ow, ow, ow in owl. OW says o in bowl. ER says in verse. UR says in nurse. IR says in bird. OI says oi in coin. OY says oi in boy. OO says in book. OO says ooh in tooth. WOR says were in worms. IGH says I in night. ALL says all in ball. ALK says ok in walk. So phonics chart 8. Today we are doing special sounds CH that says ch and OR that says or. So ch and or. Alright, let's look at this first word. So we see that we have CH, special sound, so we'll circle that. Look at your vowels, 2 vowels. First one is long, A. Second one is silent, E. So the word is ch, ace, chase. Next one I have OR as my special sound. So just like on yesterday, whenever I told you about the AR, because you don't want to mark the O as like a vowel. It's a special sound, OR, or. So be careful with that. Make sure that you can identify the sounds or identify if it's a vowel. There's sometimes going to be a difference. So this one is special sound or. So the word is fork. Next one, again, I have CH, ch, and then sharp vowel U, lunch, lunch. Last one, OR, or again, Lord, Lord. So that's special sound CH, ch, and OR, or. Okay? Now let's look at these blends I have. So I have a special sound and a vowel together, which is still a blend. Remember, blends are consonants and vowels, but it's also special sounds and vowels. So the first one I have is scrap. What's a word I can create from the blend scrap? Scrap. You could say scratch or scrap. Next, I have spree. 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 What's the word? Spree. Except you just add an extra E on it, like if you go on a shopping spree. Yeah? Next, I have slug. Slug. What's the word I can make from the blend? Slug. I could say slug. A slug, like a snail? No? Next, I have stry. Stry. What's the word I can create from the blend? Stry. You could say strike or stride. Next, I have split. Split. What's the word I can create from the blend? Split. You could say split. Split. And last one, try. 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 What's the word I can create from the blend? Try. You could say trot, like a horse will trot, or a trolley. Okay, good. So that's kind of what you will see on your phonics test on Thursday. Blends, putting the blends with vowel sounds as well. All right, so last part of our lesson is we're going to learn what the parts of a sentence are. So we know that a sentence has to have a who and a what is going on. We do know that, right? But these actually have names that we use. And the who is what we call the subject in a sentence. Subject means who it's about. And the what is actually the predicate of a sentence. What is going on, or what are they doing? So that's the real two parts of a sentence, a subject and a predicate. And this is what you will start to see in your phonics workbook. It will start to say identify the subject and identify the predicate. The subject means the who. The subject is who it's about. Think about it in school when we say the subject is math. That means it's going to be math, but there's a lot of stuff inside of math. So in a sentence, your subject is your who. Who is the sentence about, or what is it about, but it's the subject, who. And then the predicate is the what is going on, or what did they do. That's called the predicate part of your sentence. So I will show you how to identify and how to mark it in a sentence, your subject and predicate. My first sentence says, the boy ran to the swing. Again, the boy ran to the swing. First thing I do is identify my subject and predicate, and I split them, okay? So the subject is the who. Who is the sentence about? I hope you said the boy. So I will place a line after the boy, because that's where my subject stops, after the boy. We're saying the boy. That's who it's about, subject. So then ran to the swing is going to be my predicate. What else is going on inside of my sentence? So the boy is my subject. Ran to the swing is my predicate. How we identify it is we underline the subject once, the boy, but we underline the predicate twice. The book will ask you to do this, and guess what? You will have to do this on one of your phonics tests. So, the subject is underlined once, and the predicate is underlined twice. The boy was my subject, predicate was ran to the swing. Let's look at the second one. I rode my bike. Again, I rode my bike. Let's go ahead and identify where we would split. Let's identify the subject. Who is the subject? I. So that's where I would split it, right here. Who are we talking about? I, which would be you in this case, but I. What is the predicate? Rode my bike. That's what I did. I is the subject. Rode my bike is the predicate part of your sentence. So again, underline the subject once. Underline your predicate twice. I, subject, rode my bike, predicate. Next I have the girl skipped in the park. The girl skipped in the park. Let's identify, where is my subject? Who is the sentence about? The girl. So then I split it here. I'm showing that that's my subject. Subject is the girl. That's who this sentence is about. Predicate, what does she do? Skipped in the park. Predicate part of my sentence. I underline the subject once, the girl. Underline my predicate twice. Skipped in the park. Again, the girl, subject, that's who it's about. Skipped in the park, predicate, that's what she did. So this is how you will identify it in your book. The book will tell you that in your instructions, so always make sure to read your instructions before you start working. And so it tells you the girl skipped in the park, or I rode my bike, the boy ran to the swing. You will have to know where to split your sentence. Underline your subject once, underline your predicate twice. The subject is the who your sentence is about. The predicate is what they are doing in the sentence. Okay? So that's your phonics lesson today. You will do your workbook pages 43 and 44.